Hey guys, what's going on? Rob from clicksgeek.com, and today's video we're looking into a client divorce lawyer account, and I'm going to show you February 1st to February 29th and how they've done, and just kind of case study this. Now I chose February because March coronavirus hit and crashed everything. He's still getting about like 15 leads a month now versus the 20 he used to get. So I just want to preface that that's why this is February, because that's definitely affected by all this. So if you take a look at the quick stats, and first off, I should say this: he's in a very small town in, I want to say, Louisiana. So that's why the impressions are very low. You can see we have a great click through rate and everything. But I'll burn through it. But I just want to kind of little preface that's why the volume's so low for everything. He's in a very, very small town in Louisiana. All right, so he's running 125 a day budget. He's gotten 47 clicks in February, 664 overall impressions, 7% click-through rate. Average cost per click was about $41. He spent total that month $1,900. He got 20 leads at $94 a lead, and his conversion rate is 44%. And you can see on the end here, the bid strategy we're using with him was actually maximize conversions, which I usually don't use too much, but it did really well for this guy. So I wanted to keep it going, and so far so good. He's doing great with it. Now the conversion rate is pretty high, but divorce lawyers, we have campaigns for divorce lawyers that are already dialed in. All we really have to do is just deploy them to any location. We've extensively tested landing pages for divorce lawyers over the last couple of years. So we kind of already know what works, and the campaigns are the same too. So we kind of just clone the campaigns, roll out our landing page, and we slap the new client's name over the old ones, and everything's pretty much the same. And we just roll it out and let it run. So that's why the conversion rate doesn't really fluctuate. It's usually in the 40s for divorce lawyers for us. If not 40s, definitely 25 to 35. It's always around. It's always above 25 pretty much, even in really populated areas and cities. So next up, his ad groups are a lot of just straight up child support lawyer, custody lawyer, divorce lawyer, family law lawyer, family lawyer, city name, custody lawyer, city name, and his city's very small, but he still gets a couple leads from it. So that's pretty much all it is. It's very, very, very dialed in, specialized down to somebody looking for a divorce lawyer. We in our ad copy, we're pressing on the pain points of why someone's looking for a divorce lawyer, and all we're doing is just offering them a solution to their problem, which in this case is a free consultation with this guy in particular. And out of the 20 leads, I'd say 85% of those are inbound phone calls, and just a handful of form submissions. So this campaign does really well. Like I said, though, it's very dialed in. His landing page is very simple. It's you would actually, if I showed it to you, you'd actually think it was ugly, because it's just what it's what works, you know. So we don't really mess around with it too much anymore. Form is same form we use for everybody pretty much. Name, email, phone. Tell us about your situation, or it could be. I think this guy has like tell us what you're interested in, whether it's child support or custody or divorce, whatever. There's a drop-down box. So he's got something like that. His budget is a healthy budget for a divorce lawyer. I'd always suggest that someone who's trying to advertise in divorce, no matter what city you're in, always do $100 a day or above. So he's good on that. I have seen several clients do okay with like 50 to 60 a day. It just really depends on the location. It's really going to factor into how well your campaign does. So if you can spend 50 to 60 a day, 5 days a week, these are all 5 days a week. We don't run weekends for these guys. So if you can do that, you should be okay. Now, if you have any questions about this campaign or the divorce law niche in general, drop them in the comments below this video. If you are interested in us running this type of campaign for your family law practice, or if you have a client who's a family lawyer or divorce lawyer, reach out today and we can get this dialed in for you quickly. And besides that, I think I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to go through electricians, and we'll dig into that and see what's going on.